Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to import saved password into Microsoft Edge browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to import saved password from any other browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. You can see here 3 dot in top right side corner. You need to click on this, then go to the settings. In right side you can see here import browser data. You just need to click on this. Here you will find the browser which you have installed like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and your Mozilla Firefox. Suppose if you want to import the saved password from your Google Chrome, just click on import and you have to uncheck all this. You have to only check mark for the saved passwords. Just check mark this option, then tap on import. So whatever saved passwords here on your Google Chrome, that will imported to your Microsoft Edge browser. That's it guys. So in this way you can import saved password from Google Chrome to your Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.